Hello, trainees. Let's see what we are going to study this week. Function of valves to open and close the inlet and exhaust passage of the cylinder, to dissipate heat through its seat to the cylinder head. Construction of valve. The head of the valve is ground with a margin to provide strength. The valve face is a ground to 30° to 45° angle which matches with the seat angle to avoid leakage. The valve stem is of a round shape. The length of a stem varies from engine to engine. At the end of the stem, a groove is provided to hold the spring lock. Type of a valves: poppet valves, rotary valves, reed valves, sleeve valves. Poppet valves. As the name indicates, these valves pop on their seats. Three types of poppet valves are in use: standard valve, tulip valve, flat top valve. Rotary valves. In this type, a hollow shaft run in the housing which is attached to the cylinder head. Reed valve. It is a metallic strip hinged at the one end. It covers the passage and allows air or charge to flow in one direction only. Sleeve valve. In this type, ports are cut in the cylinder liner. It runs with a slight up and down motion. It is also having rotary motion in another sleeve. Type of valve operating mechanism. Two type of valve operating mechanism are used in engine. They are as follows: side valve mechanism, overhead valve mechanism. Side valve mechanism. In the side valve mechanism, both the inlet and exhaust valves are fitted in the cylinder block. Overhead valve mechanism. In this mechanism, the valves are located in the cylinder head. Push rods and rocker arms are used in addition to the side valve mechanism. Importance of valve seats. Valve and valve seats are ground to correct in shape so that the valve may sit properly on the seat for effective valve sitting. The valve face angle must be matched the valve seat angle. Valve sitting and valve sealing is closely related to the engine performance. Importance of valve seats insert in cylinder head. The valve seats serve to seal the combustion chamber that regulates the inlet and exhaust gases. The valve seat insert prevents direct contact of the valve with the cylinder head and absorbs some of the combustion heat that is transferred to the valve by passing it to the cylinder head. Importance of valve rotation. Valve rotation is the uniformity of the oil film in the valve guide on the valve stem. The main scope of the valve and tapped rotation is to reduce the wear, the friction, and to increase the life period of the components and maintain the conical valve face and sit clean of the carbon or soot deposit that might appear on surface during the valve opening. Function of valve stem oil seal. The purpose of the valve stem oil seal is to prevent the oil from the cylinder head entering the combustion chamber valve. Stem seals play a critical role in controlling valve lubrications as well as oil consumption. Valve train. It's an internal combustion engine, includes components required to control the flow of gases into and out of the combustion chamber valve and related components required to allow the air and air fuel mixture to enter the combustion chamber. The combustion chamber during compression and combustion and evacuate exhausted gas when combustion is complete. Valve trained for a reciprocate engine depends on the engine design and whether the engine is a 4 or 2 stroke cycle unit. Valve timing. The opening and closing of the valve in an IC engine is related to the movement of the piston and flywheel is called valve timing. Concept of variable valve timing. After multi-valve technology became standard in engine design, variable valve timing becomes the next step to enhance engine output no matter power or torque. The most noticeable results are the engine rev higher, thus raises peak power. For example, Nissan's 2-liter Neo VVI engine output 25% more peak power than its non-VVT version. Low speed torque increase thus improve drivability. For example, flat Barracuda 1.8 VVT engine provides 90% peak torque between 2000 and 6000 RPM. Description of camshafts and drives. The camshaft is used to convert the rotary motion into reciprocating motion with the help of a cam lobe. This reciprocating motion is transmitted to the valve through the tappet, push rod, and rocker levers. Camshaft drive mechanism: belt drive, chain drive, gear drive. Camshaft classification. First, bottom mount traditional camshaft OHV engine. Second, overhead cam, single overhead camshaft OHC SOHC. Third, double overhead camshaft DOHC. Single overhead camshaft. In SOHC engine, the camshaft is installed in the cylinder head and valves are operated either by the rocker's arm or directly through the lifters. Double overhead camshaft. DOHC engine has 2 camshafts and 4 valves per cylinder. One camshaft operates intake while another camshaft controls exhaust valves. Cam lobes. Cam lobes is located in the camshaft that open and close the intake and exhaust valve in the time with the motion of the piston. Cams control the valve lift and there is a direct relation between the cam lobes and the way the engine performs in different speed ranges. Hey trainees, with this you have completed your week 25th of Mechanic Diesel.